sunset beneath your magnolia tree. Your eyes sparkle, setting my heart free. With every gentle breeze, love grew. Two souls dancing, just me and you. Walks by the river, hand in hand. Secret whispers only we can understand. Moonlight glistening on the water's edge. Love so deep, we silently pledged. In the whispers of the wind, our hearts find where to begin. With every note of nature's song, in your arms, that's where I belong. Days turn to nights, seasons change, but our sweet love remained unchanged. Through life's storms and sunny skies, together we'll conquer, never say goodbye. Morning coffee, shared dreams anew, laughing at old stories, just us two. Time may weather, but hearts stay strong. In each other's arms, where we belong. In the whispers of the wind, our hearts find where to begin. With every note of nature's song, in your arms, that's where I belong. In the whispers of the wind, our hearts find where to begin. With every note of nature's song, in your arms, that's where I belong. In the quiet of the morning, by the old oak tree, we made promises, just you and me. Your hand in mine, the world stood still. A whispered vow, a heart to fill. Underneath the starry skies and fields of emerald green, we danced till dawn like it was a dream. The melody of our lives in tender notes so true. A love story written for me and you. Through the highs and through the lows, our love has been a river that forever flows. With every beat, our hearts entwined in this sweet unending round. In a cabin by the river, where the wildflowers grow, I find my home in you, and you know, each day a chapter, each night a page. We'll write our story, love will never age. Through summer's warmth and winter's chill, we've weathered storms, yet we're standing still. In the songs of the breeze, I hear your name, a whispered vow, forever the same. Through the highs and through the lows, our love has been a river that forever flows. With every beat, our hearts entwine in this sweet unending rhyme. In this sweet unending rhyme. Through the highs been a river that forever flows. With every beat our hearts entwine in this sweet unending rhyme.